Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail account. It's actually a very simple tutorial that I think you will like. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you actually give the video a like, subscribe if you are new for the YouTube algorithm and for your benefit. And also, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. So it's the same thing, by the way, on any iPhone model and on any Android device. All you have to do is go on the Google account that you can sign in accounts.google.com, click on forgotten password after you type in the email. So let's say that this is my email. I'll click on next. If I don't know the password, you have to click on forgot password. From here, it will say this helps to show this account really belongs to you. Have the Gmail app on another device like I do currently. I can just go on Gmail, confirm it. If you don't, click on try another way. Then click on try another way here, and it will offer a verification code to another email you linked. If that doesn't work, you can click on try another way, and it will get you a verification code on your phone. That's a third way. If you don't even have a phone, well, you can try to answer some questions that they'll provide you. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.